G'day guys, welcome to this week's 5 Minute Yarn. Well, this one's a little bit different. Again, I suppose they're all a bit different. This one's a bit of an update as well. This is going to be my last video for 2025. Even though, yes, I've still got a couple of weeks left, it's going to be my last video for 2025. I'm going to step away for a while and I'm going to try and find myself again and just relax and just spend time up here, getting myself sorted out a little bit, spending time with the family and not having to worry about a video. That sort of leads me into the next part of this is I'm stepping back from YouTube for the rest of the year. Rest of this year. But it's going to be a bit more long term than that. So I'm stepping back from social media as a whole, and I want to do so for about a year. Now, don't get me wrong, if I go somewhere that's really cool and I want to film it, and I feel like putting up a video, I'll put up a video. But I'm at that point now where I'm stressing myself that I've got to have a video for Sunday. And it's part of why I thought the 5 Minute Yarn videos would be good to come back in, is because they're a filler between trip videos and it gives me a bit more time to try and sort what I'm going to do and what's happening. But I'm still sort of stressing myself, oh shit, I don't even have a 5 Minute Yarn. What do I need to do for a 5 Minute Yarn? What sort of topic can I talk about? What can I think of? What can I do? And yeah, it's kind of getting to that point whereas I don't have videos or trips or whatever ready, and I'm putting out what I classify as shit content to fill that gap, to make sure that I've got something to be released this Sunday or every Sunday. And I'm not happy with the sort of content that I am putting out. I do want to be doing more trips, but I'm just, life just hasn't allowed that to happen. So I'm stepping back from socials, guys. I'm stepping back from Facebook and Instagram. Now, for those of you that actually message me through Facebook, in particular on my personal profile, this is going to be a big one. No more videos, no more memes, no more random shit that links me back to Facebook, because one, I generally don't really care about it anyway. I appreciate that you might think of me and think it's funny and whatever, but yeah, a lot of the stuff that you guys do send me, I'm not all that interested in. Nath, sorry buddy, but especially AI shit, and that's another part of it. Like, I'm looking at the amount of AI shit that's coming up on social media these days, and I'm like, it's fucking horrible. It really is. I worry about where things are going when it comes to AI, and myself as a content creator, I spend time and effort and money to create content, and anybody can just turn around and type in a few prompts and make up AI shit, and it uses my content and the content of other people that have spent time, effort and money to actually learn how to do a decent job, and yeah, it does all that, and then it bloody rips off everybody else's content to learn how to make shit, in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, I'm ranting a lot already in this video. So I'm leaving social media because a few reasons. One, I need to find myself a bit again, and not have that stress of I've got to have a video every Sunday. I also find myself doom scrolling a lot, and I want to try and stop that. So removing social media from my phone and whatnot will hopefully help me to sort of just get myself back on track, get myself back on that path that I want to be on. The other part of it is I hate the fucking negativity on social media. I really do. Everywhere I look, especially like as you know, I've got the Aboriginal heritage and I follow a few Aboriginal pages, and next thing you know, I'm getting bombarded, and it's all the fucking algorithm on social media and Facebook and shit, and I'm getting bombarded with, Aboriginal people, fucking, we need to hand the land back, and I don't agree with that. Aboriginal people, sorry, not so much hand the land back, but we want our land back. We want our country back. And then I get all this bloody white supremacist bullshit. Fucking one flag, one nation, one colour. Fuck off. And yeah, I'm really just getting sick to death of the negative bullshit that floods social media. You know, and then I might like one post from an Aboriginal person or an Aboriginal sort of related page. I might like one of their posts. Then next thing you know, I'm flooded with all this other shit. I might like one post from a sort of pro-Australian thing, and then I'm flooded with all their racial bullshit. You know, I saw some shit pipe up this morning about that Desi Freeman bloke sitting there saying that he's a fucking proud warrior, and he's not in the Aboriginal sense, but he's a freedom warrior and he's a freedom fighter and he's a proud man and we should be looking up to him. Fuck off, the cunt shot cops. The cunt needs to be shot. That's plain and simple. I don't want to be seeing this shit in my fucking feeds. And yeah, I'm really, really over social media in general for the hate that it breeds, the bullshit that it breeds, all the AI crap that's pumping out. I really do hate it. And yeah, I only ever, back in 2020 when I was running the fishing club, I stepped away from social media and I was gone for about a year. And I only came back to promote the channel. And now this is the same shit as I'm seeing now as to why I stepped away from it in the first place. And yeah, I've just simply had enough of social media, guys. So I'm leaving Facebook, I'm leaving Instagram, or not leaving, but removing it all from my phone so I don't sit there doom scrolling and see all this shit all the time. I'll probably leave it on the computer and I'll check updates and shit in the mornings when I have my cuppa. But otherwise, yeah, I'm not going to be on it. I hate it. I want away from it. I may eventually just try and leave it all together, but we'll see what happens, where I go with that. As for YouTube, like again, I don't want to be stressing day in and day out that, oh shit, I got to have a video for Sunday, I got to hurry up, I got to find something, got to think of something. It's never where I wanted to go with this channel. It's never where I never wanted to be stressing over it like this, and it's starting to happen. So yeah, I'm stepping back from that too. As I said, if I do a trip, go somewhere really nice and I film it, and don't get me wrong, I still take my cameras with me when I go places, but if I go somewhere really cool and I film it and I decide I want to make a video, then I'll make a video and I'll throw it up on YouTube. Or I might even save them until I decide, you know, I've had a couple of months off or whatever, let's start releasing a bunch of them so that I've got a whole heap to release at once maybe. Yeah, see what happens there. As for those on Patron, I'm going to stop all payments. I really appreciate those of you that are supporting me on Patreon, that are following me. But, you know, if I'm not putting out YouTube content, I'm not keeping up with obligations through Patreon, and I've been slacking with that as well. So I'm going to stop all payments. Nobody's going to be paying for anything while I'm not producing content. It's that simple. So the website will still be up, so if you want to buy merch, you want to buy stickers, shirts, hoodies, whatever it might be, that's still there, and I'll still do that side of things. But yeah, I might even take some time to update the website. That bloody needs doing too. You know, it's another one of those factors that I've been sitting there just doom scrolling rather than actually doing the things that I need to be doing. So yeah, taking that time off, guys. It's going to be a while. It may be 6 months, maybe 12 months. I'll probably look towards about 12 months. But depends how things go, and it might be longer. I don't know. As I said, I hate social media. I hate Facebook. I hate Instagram. I hate the negative bullshit that I'm constantly seeing from it. So, yeah. That's where it is, guys. As of here, I'm stepping away from everything. Hope you all have a great Christmas and a happy and safe New Year. Remember, guys, please don't drink and drive. And if you're going in the bush, stay safe, especially with fire bans and things like that. And yeah, I will, in some parts, see you in the new year, but in a lot of parts, I won't. Yama budget morugo. Walk a good path. Yano. Goodbye.